2 moons, 1 ringed planet, and shadows that shouldn't look as sharp as they do from 800 million miles away. What exactly are we looking at here? This photo was taken by the Cassini spacecraft in 2005, while it was in orbit around Saturn. And the first thing worth noticing is right here across the center and upper portion, those wide, dark bands striped across Saturn. Those aren't cloud patterns. Those are shadows. The rings of Saturn are so wide, stretching nearly 300,000 kilometers from edge to edge, that when sunlight hits them at an angle, they cast actual shadows across the planet below, like Venetian blinds on a sunny afternoon, except each slat is made of billions of ice chunks. Now look at the rings themselves, slicing diagonally across the frame toward the right side. From this angle, they're nearly edge-on. So instead of the famous open disc shape, you see just a thin, dark line. What's wild is that the rings look paper-thin here, but in reality, they're about as thick as a 10-story building. Tall, sure, but stretched across a structure the width of the distance from Earth to the Moon. That's how flat they actually are. And then there are the moons. Over here, toward the left center, that tiny dark pinprick is Mimas, a moon about 400 kilometers across, casting a shadow as it passes in front of Saturn. And to the right, the bigger dot with a clear shadow beneath it is Tethys, nearly 3 times Mimas's size. Both moons are transiting Saturn at the same time. Cassini just happened to be in the right place at the right moment in 2005 to catch both of them mid-crossing. That kind of timing doesn't happen every day, even out there. 1 spacecraft, 2 moons in transit, ring shadows sharp enough to count. Cassini spent 13 years collecting moments like this before NASA aimed it into Saturn in 2017, on purpose, to protect those same moons from contamination. It's strange to think. The mission ended as an act of care. We'll be back tomorrow with whatever the image archive surfaces next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to check.